How to manage Facebook page roles and permissions. If any day you would like to manage your Facebook page roles and permission, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Facebook on your mobile device. In order to do so, first of all, tap on Facebook on your mobile device. After you tap on Facebook on your mobile device, your Facebook will be launched. After that, you have to go to the profile section on the top. When you go to the profile section on the top, you can see a screen like this. Now you have to go to the option of the three dots out here. After you go to the three dots out here, you can see a screen like this. Otherwise, you can also go to the option of manage there. After you go to the option of manage, you can also see a screen like this. And then you have to scroll down until you find the option of the manage access. If you do not find it, you have to go to the next option, that is see more insights. After you tap on the option of see more insights, even if you do not find it, again you have to go to the option of manage. After you go to the option of manage, you have to go to the option of the creation. And you can also go to the option of the engagement out there. And after you go to the option of engagement out there, you can see the very screen of the page access. And then you have to tap on the option of the page access. And when you tap on the option of the page access, you can see the person which have the Facebook access and the person which have the task access. Now you can ask the people with the task access here, and then go to the option of the next. When you tap on the option of the next, you can search the people by name or email address whom you want to add as the very person here. And you can add the very person here, you can search the very person, and after you find the very person, you have to tap the very person, and you have to just enable all the insights, ads, content, community activity, messages, and call. And then you have to go to the option of the give access. After you tap on the option of the give access, now you can see an interface like this where you have to add your profile password and then go to the option of confirm. And this way your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.